Hey everyone, Krishna this side. I hope you all are doing great. So again, after a long time, thought of making the video and start the recording. I remember I uploaded few videos in the month of June. Then back to back 2 days I got SLs and psychology also got disturbed at some extent. Even though the previous time I was having a break, but still I was completely not in a that area where I can take trades. I have deployed my money in some other areas. I was completely out of money during this period, so I thought of avoiding the stock markets and all. So I didn't focus at all whatever the market structures that has formed in this time period. Even in the month of September, I thought of starting it again in the options, but yeah, the market structure that when I saw that this is a completely choppy kind of behavior I noticed, so I again avoided it. And just on the 1st October, I decided to take trade, but due to some circumstances, I couldn't take positions. But today, I was pretty much confident that the market will be behaving in some certain criteria, which was already I had plans. So whatever the plans that I was having, if market behaves in that way, I would be going to take my position. That was the idea for this day as well. And regarding this options trading in the future, I might be taking trades, but it completely depends on the market structure. So if the market is in this choppy zone, then I'm going to completely avoid the market, and my main focus is going to be in the future in coming days. So those plans were also there for this month. If any trades I find where I see myself completely confident enough that I can take the trade, then I'll be executing it. So today that was the day, and also there was a news, so I was confident enough that the market will be behaving in the bearish side. But it is just that the area where the market will be reverse uh, was the main focus for me. And then the market, if we look into the 1 minute time frame, right? So when market has given us a huge gap down, and first two candle steps, it has shown us some bullishness. So I was just waiting that if market breaks this level, I'm not going to take trade. So that was first plan for me. And if it acts resistance multiple times at this area, and if starts breaking some of the near choppy area. So here we see here, right, like in the 1 minute time frame, it has shown some uh, resistance multiple times at the above area, this level. So I was confident now when this area will get break, I'll be taking downside trade. And yeah, as I already said, I am out of money right now. So in the coming time, I am going to take trades in the future where the risk and reward would be optimal, yeah. So here in the option, what happens is the premium decay was really a bad factor that we see in the market, and I'm going to avoid this option trading for sure. In the back time, I used to take trades in the option only, but in the coming time, I am going to change my all the setup and the way I used to see in the market, the behavior structures, everything. I had a few plans which I'll be uh, applying them in coming months, mostly in 3 months. I'll be changing my entire perspective, the way I used to see in the market. I'm going to play with futures and all, but not in the option. The option trading only I'll do if I see really big confident, right? So in this state, I was pretty much confident that it will be falling, and because of that, I took trade, and of course, it was very less quantity. If we see, I'll show you also what was the profit that I had made today. It was pretty much less quantity for sure. And when this red candle I saw, right, like at 9:55, I had taken an entry because it has act multiple times resistance at this high and has started moving downside. So I was just waiting that it would make some huge candles, or else small candles would make even panic situations sometimes, and it breaks the high. So yeah, because of that also I was when this small retracement happened, right? So that time little nervousness was there, whether the market is going to move again upside or not. But yeah, it has shown the behavior in our side only. So yes, actually exited. Let's see the order where I had taken the entry. So we see here, right? So at price of 982, 955, I had taken my entry, and at 10, I updated my SL. So the SL, when the market started moving downside, the SL was at 240, around 40 point SL. Then sorry, yeah, 240 is the SL which I had planned, and I had kept it as well, which I then completely cancelled it out. Okay, so this is how we should do it, right? If we take any trade in the option, basically, mostly what people do is like they try to stay and take the losses. They don't feel any problem when the market moves in their against negative direction. But if the market starts moving in their favor, right, so they immediately cut their positions. So we need to make sure that what is our exact loss that we can handle. So this is the area where I was pretty much confident that if market comes here, then I would be taking the SL. If yeah, so that was the basic plan for me, and every option trader should follow this. Not in the option, even in the future or in any stocks also. So we should be having our plan for the losses. The profit would be anything, right? So it should be 1:1 or 1:2, something like that. It shouldn't be like 1:0.5 or something. So our risk to reward should be optimal for any point in time. So yes, I put my SL at 240, and around 10 I cancelled that SL. We see here, right? So when the uh, market came here, I cancelled that SL. I was like, yeah, okay, this might take a small reversal, but I was if the market comes near at 280 or 270 as well, I'll be cancelling my position. So cost to cost, or mostly like 10, 12 points of loss is what I was thinking in my mind, and I was ready for that the moment when it started showing some reversal. And yeah, it immediately broke this level as well. And when it started moving, then I trailed my SL at 410, right? So and market showed some jump, but at 410 it the trailing SL got hit, and it is fine for me because whatever the risk to reward that I planned, it has given more than that for me. So after the SL got hit, the position got closed, and we see here that this was the profit that I could made today. So I think yeah, the quantity was pretty much less, but we were able to capture 100 plus points from this trade, and this is fine actually. So, any day in the future, coming time, if I take any trades, I'll be uploading the video. And in the morning time, I do not get any time, so I would be busy in some other works. So yeah, there are very less chances that I could upload any video in the morning time. Regarding the tomorrow's setup, if we look here, right, so it has shown some good bearishness, bearishness, right? So if we draw fib from bottom to top, right, so yes, it has came near around, it has broken 0.6 level, and it is sorry, it has broken 0.5 level, and it is heading towards 0.618. So if market opens at around 0.61 at this level, so we should expect some bullishness in the first half. Of course, in the second half it might get fall, but if again it opens in the gap up, gap down, sorry, so again, if it opens a gap down, so then our view should be at least based on the patterns. Okay, so if it breaks its high itself, the first few candles high, then we should expect some bullishness in the market for the first half. Then in the second half, it might again get reversal. The view is completely downside. Okay, it is not just like I was saying tomorrow it will show bullishness and then fall and all. The view is bearish only. It is just that if it opens gap down, then we should expect some positive earnings in the market, and then it again starts falling. So that's how it uh, I was looking for tomorrow's market. And if it opens at around that same level, there also I was seeing some bullishness and then fall. So it depends so completely how the market is going to open for the day. So that is all from my side for this day. Any coming future plans I will be having, I'll update you guys on this same channel. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye.